Good afternoon. It is February 5th, 2018. I'm Joseph Moore. I'm the wharf and pile driving instructor for Local 179 in Philadelphia. Today my topic is going to be setting up a dive station. Specifically, we're going to deal with the PowerX compressor. Does anybody have any questions? Yes, it's an electric compressor. I know out in the field you have gasoline powered and diesel powered compressors. What type of dive helmets are you guys working with in the field? Superlight 17s, Miller 400s, Miller 300s, Superlight 57s. We're actually going to be using a Superlight 77, which is my personal hat, to continue the setup of the dive station. I'm going to start with what we should do before we fire up the compressor. I've actually cheated a little bit. I had the compressor running to build air pressure. First thing we're going to do is check the belts to make sure they're in good shape and don't have too much play. Out in the field, your compressors will be easier to get to the belts. They won't have this extensive guarding because you'll be checking it every day. And then I'm going to go ahead and put everything back together before I go over the startup procedure for it. It's a little tough getting these pins back in. There we go. The bolt back in place. The half-inch wrench for the specific application here. Next thing I would do is I would normally turn the main power and fire the compressor up. I already have air pressure. As soon as I fire this compressor up, you're not going to be able to hear me. So I'm going to go over here. I have pressure in the tank. I'm going to turn this to the left to bleed out any moisture in the system. Go ahead, turn it to the right to turn it off. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to turn my main power on. This is a three-phase electric compressor. My next step is I'm going to turn this compressor on. It has two settings, an auto and a hand. The hand, it will run constantly. With the auto, it will cycle on and off as it meets its designed operation pressure. I leave it on hand so it runs all the time. That way if there's a problem, I know if this compressor is cycling on and off, there could possibly be a problem that I won't be aware of. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. The compressor is going to fire up and make a lot of noise. I'm going to stop the video here and go up to the dive station upstairs to show the setup of the dive station. So as soon as this goes on, we're going to cut the video for now.